Biohacking has evolved far beyond simple lifestyle tweaks. In 2026, it represents a powerful combination of science, technology, and daily habits that allow you to take control of your health in ways that were once unimaginable. Instead of waiting for problems to appear, you actively shape how your body performs, how your brain functions, and how long you can maintain vitality. The goal is not just to live longer, but to live better, with more energy, sharper thinking, and stronger resilience. At its core, biohacking begins with awareness. You cannot optimize what you do not measure. In recent years, wearable devices have become more advanced and accessible, tracking sleep quality, heart rate variability, glucose levels, and even stress patterns in real time. These tools give you immediate feedback about how your body reacts to food, exercise, and daily stressors. When you start paying attention to these signals, you quickly realize that small changes can produce powerful results. Sleep is the foundation of all optimization. Without high-quality sleep, no supplement, diet, or exercise plan will work effectively. In 2026, biohackers focus on deep sleep cycles, circadian rhythm alignment, and minimizing nighttime disruptions. Exposure to natural sunlight in the morning helps regulate your internal clock, while reducing artificial blue light in the evening supports melatonin production. Even room temperature, mattress quality, and noise levels can influence how deeply you rest. When sleep improves, everything else follows, including memory, metabolism, and immune function. Nutrition is no longer about generic diets. Biohacking emphasizes personalization. What works for one person may not work for another. Continuous glucose monitoring has become a key tool, allowing individuals to see exactly how different foods impact their blood sugar. Some discover that certain healthy foods still cause spikes, while others tolerate them well. This leads to a more precise approach where meals are designed based on your body's unique response. Whole foods remain the foundation, with an emphasis on nutrient density, healthy fats, high-quality protein, and fiber-rich vegetables. Intermittent fasting continues to be a popular strategy, not as a trend, but as a metabolic tool. By giving the body periods without food, you activate processes like autophagy, where damaged cells are repaired or removed. Many people report improved energy, mental clarity, and better weight management when fasting is done correctly. The key is balance, ensuring that eating windows still provide sufficient nutrients rather than creating stress on the body. Movement is another pillar, but biohacking moves beyond traditional exercise routines. It is not about spending hours in the gym, but about optimizing efficiency. Short bursts of high-intensity training can stimulate cardiovascular health and muscle growth in a fraction of the time. Strength training is particularly important for longevity, as maintaining muscle mass helps regulate metabolism and prevent age-related decline. At the same time, daily low-intensity movement like walking supports circulation and overall health. Recovery is just as important as activity. Cold exposure, such as cold showers or ice baths, has gained attention for its potential to reduce inflammation and improve resilience to stress. Heat exposure, including saunas, may support cardiovascular health and detoxification processes. These methods, when used consistently and safely, can enhance the body's ability to adapt and recover more efficiently. Brain optimization has become a major focus in modern biohacking. Cognitive performance is influenced by nutrition, sleep, and mental habits. Practices like meditation and breathwork are no longer considered optional, but essential tools for managing stress and improving focus. Even a few minutes of controlled breathing can shift the nervous system from a state of tension to calm. This not only improves mental clarity, but also has a direct impact on physical health. Nootropics, or cognitive-enhancing compounds, are also gaining popularity. Some are natural, like certain herbs and amino acids, while others are more advanced formulations designed to support memory, focus, and mood. The key principle remains the same as with all biohacking strategies: start simple, observe your response, and avoid overcomplicating the process. Hormonal balance plays a critical role in how you feel and age. In 2026, more people are paying attention to hormones like cortisol, insulin, and testosterone or estrogen. Chronic stress, poor sleep, and unhealthy diets can disrupt these systems, leading to fatigue, weight gain, and reduced performance. By addressing lifestyle factors first, many individuals can restore balance naturally without immediately turning to medical interventions. Gut health is another area receiving increased attention. The gut microbiome influences digestion, immunity, and even mental health. A diverse and balanced microbiome is associated with better overall health outcomes. Fermented foods, fiber-rich diets, and reduced intake of ultra-processed foods can help support this balance. Many people notice improvements in energy and mood when their gut health improves. Technology continues to push the boundaries of what is possible. In 2026, biohacking includes advanced tools such as red light therapy, which may support skin health and cellular repair, and personalized supplementation based on genetic testing. While these innovations are exciting, they are most effective when built on a strong foundation of basic habits like sleep, nutrition, and movement. One of the most important aspects of biohacking is consistency. It is easy to get distracted by new trends and complex protocols, but real progress comes from simple actions repeated daily. Drinking enough water, getting quality sleep, moving your body, and managing stress may seem basic, yet they are the most powerful interventions available. Longevity is not just about extending lifespan, but about maintaining function and independence as you age. Biohacking encourages a proactive approach where you invest in your future health every day. Instead of waiting for illness, you create an environment where your body can thrive. In the end, biohacking is about understanding yourself. It is about learning how your body responds, making adjustments, and building habits that support your goals. In 2026, the tools are more advanced than ever, but the principle remains simple. Take control of what you can, stay consistent, and focus on progress rather than perfection.